If there's one thing that brings us all together, it's food. So we're calling everyone to the table to dish on everything, from the latest food hacks and trends to everyday recipes you can make for dinner tonight.
It's simple, it's celebratory, and most of all, it's about having a great time in the kitchen.
Oh.
What is going wrong?
I'm trying to help.
Let's dish.
Welcome to the Dish on Oz. And today, you don't need to be a pastry professional to create cakes and cookies that will impress. Daphne, what's on the menu today?
Cake, clearly. All right, you guys, today we are faking it till we bake it. We are using store-bought cheats for all of our favorite sweets. And I'm very happy about today's show because I have kind of a sweet tooth. I'm gonna show you guys how to cheat to make lower calories in all of your favorite baked goods. You guys are gonna love what I have in store there. Then Gina is actually gonna show us the cheater's pie every Southerner swears by.
Yes.
And I have to say, if you like custard, you're gonna love this recipe. And the best part is it's using store-bought crust, so it takes it really easy. And first up, we're sharing the cheats to make boxed cake taste as delicious as homemade.
Looks so good. But while you're revealing all the cheats, I'm taking these over to the audience. Maybe some hungry members waiting for us.
Ooh,
enjoy yourselves.
The smell of sugar that's in the air is really doing it for me right now.
Sugar in the air.
I'm hungry all the time as it is right now. You come a little closer. See how there's this missing edge of frosting right here? That's the truth, guys.
Well, I wonder who did that.
All right, well, I'm going to match the other
Yeah,
side.
come on.
I can't talk and watch it.
Yum.
So I do love cake. I really love cake. And John and I are coming up on next year will be our 10th anniversary.
All right.
Give it up. You know what? I really love being married to him, and I'm excited to figure out what we're going to do for that big anniversary. But the point is, I wasn't a bridezilla about anything except our cake. I was a total freak about this cake. I had like 12 tastings just to make sure we got it right. It was taller than my husband.
Wow.
It was like a whole thing. The layers. Okay, let me see if I remember. It was a vanilla chiffon cake with a dulce de leche frosting.
Wow.
Ladies, if you wanted like a not too sweet cake, this was not the cake for you. It was so good. But Vanessa, I have to say, I feel like you rival me in this category. Your cake made it all the way to People magazine.
Oh, yes.
So glorious.
Oh, it's so pretty.
That was, we had an Egyptian-themed wedding because we met in Egypt on the Nile on a cruise. So those are those are papyrus leaves that, they're obviously sugar, but they were gold papyrus leaves that we did in kind of like a pyramid shape.
How cool.
Yeah, and it was chocolate with raspberry.
So I'm gonna dish the details on this first cheat that we're showing you, one of which is to show you how to make store-bought cakes taste as delicious as homemade. This cheat, I have to say, is something my family's been doing for a really long time, and I talked about it for the first time when we revealed the cake we make for my dad every year on his birthday, which is German chocolate cake, his favorite. He loves it. And he's so cute. Look at him, he's digging into the frosting there. Everyone, the first question people ask me about my dad, they're like, does he only eat yogurt with blueberry and almonds all the time? And the truthful answer, guys, is yes, except for the German chocolate cake and my mother-in-law's ribs, which he also loves, and pretty much anything my mom makes. But the real secret to this mix, to making moist, perfect, delicious cake, guys, is instant pudding mix. It is, I can't even talk to you about how deliciously dense and fudgy this makes your cake. It obviously adds a lot of moisture, but it also adds a lot of substance and texture to it. All right, I'm passing this to Jamaica. What's your next cheat?
Pass the torch. Okay, so now my cheat is sour cream, ladies.
Yes.
The thing with the sour cream, if you think about it, it's acidic. So it reacts with the leaveners, and it kind of gives it that little oomph, that boost to the cake, and just gives it like a little bit more height to it too. And it has that little tangy flavor in it, so you kind of mix all of that in. And
creamy.
Sour cream just takes it to another level, I'm gonna pass it on to you, Miss
Okay, I'm a coffee lover. So instead of water, when you put 1 cup of water, use 1 cup of coffee.
Wow.
Yes.
Wake that cake up. Yes.
I never guessed that. Fantastic with chocolate.
sides for you.
Yeah, and of course coffee. You don't really taste the coffee, but it really makes it nice and rich.
I was just going to ask you that. Does the flavor of the coffee come through the cake?
No, just a smidge, but it's
Just
really,
kind of
really
brings
good.
out that chocolate.
It feels, it's
So that's all together,
yeah.
So now I'm going to genetize it.
Whoa.
I'm not going to cheat, I'm going to genetize it. I'm going to use this underneath.
There we go.
Just because it's a little better.
All right.
That together.
That's already mixed up perfect.
Isn't that perfect, right? Just take a spoon of this.
And a waffle maker.
Yes. Who wants a cake? Well, you can have waffles.
It's a waffle cake, so it
That's
bakes
a good
faster.
tip.
Yes.
I love that.
Don't you love that idea?
That is like the
Because
perfect
then you
sheet.
can have it just, everybody have their own individual cake.
Right.
No cutting, none of that.
So this is in place of slices. Everyone
This
gets
is in
their own
place of
waffle.
slices, yes.
And the nice thing is also you don't have to worry about timing and testing your cake this way. This will
Nope.
ding, ding, ding when it's ready to be
Good
turned
college
off.
tip. My daughter's 19, sophomore in college. This is a great, I'm going to give her one.
Yes, give her one.
Gina,
sweet.
I
That's a
see
good
your
one.
cheat.
You see
and
my check? You
and
like
I'm
it?
going to raise you a cheat.
What's happening?
What's happening
This.
here? What?
It's a little something special. Right?
God.
I turn your cake waffles into these ice cream sandwiches. Ice cream sandwiches.
Look at
I never ever thought I'd be serving these on my show, but here it is.
That's beautiful.
There-
Look
oh, look at
Wow.
that. There's enough for everybody.
I want a handle on this thing.
If this was Gina-tized, now I'm Ozmacized.
Yes.
Entire thing right now.
You like it? Well,
Great idea.
that's what this is all about, right? Cheating the right way. But you know, when I was in the audience, we got one more of these left, I ran into a very nice young member of the audience whose birthday is today.
Oh,
39th birthday. Come on, we help with this?
Sure. Let's
Come
go.
on over here.
Let's go.
Let's go surprise.
Look at your baby bites.
Are you ready? I'm musical, you did my musical accompaniment.
Yeah.
Here she is.
Go, go.
MK, is that you? Is this today your birthday?
It is.
And where are you from?
South Africa.
Now listen carefully. This could be yours, but first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. What's your name?
DK.
DK. Happy birthday to you.
Eat it. You like it. Let's see if she's happy. Oh, it's so good. Is she happy? Is she happy? You go right. We'll be right back, everybody.
That's a good birthday.